Okay, gonna show you about this Gigantex fully automatic washing machine that has all the different water levels, the different programs, normal, standard, fast, etc., etc., start and power. So I bought a different hose than what came with it. Alright, and I'm going to turn my water on. Alright, going to turn the power on. Gonna select my water level. I'm gonna do sheets today, so I'm going to go to 6 for my water level. And I'm gonna do a fast wash, so I'm gonna go to 3. And I'm gonna hit start. So that's gonna be 23 minutes. And I'm gonna add my soap. Okay, so here goes the soap. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to add my sheets. My pillowcase. Some more sheets. Okay. So that looks good. So we'll let that fill up. And then we'll go to the next section. So this is the washing. Nice suds, not too much. Nice water level. Looks really good. I mean, I've been using this about 2 weeks, and I've used it about 6 or 7 times, and I'm really, really happy with the way that it washes my clothes. Okay, so now it's rinsing. You can see that. A nice rinse. Getting all the water out. So that's where we're at now. And what does it say? 15 minutes, and we're rinsing. Okay. Okay, so rinsing. Rinsing, getting all that water out. That's great. And now it says that we're going to spin. So we're going to spin here in a minute. So here it goes to spin. So it says DD spin. Oh my gosh. I can't lift up the lid because it'll stop it. So I just wanted to show you. There it is. The spin. So, after all this spinning, we will be finished, which is great for me. And this was sheets. A flat, a fitted, and 2 pillowcases. And I'm really happy with it.